Hi, everybody. We're back. You ready for this?
Yep.
He has hiccups. Send us your best tips to get rid of hiccups.
I get hiccups all the time. I don't know why.
All right, well, we got a box. Veronique, thank you so much for sending us a box. We don't know what's in the box. So open something up so you can eat.
Oh. Okay.
We don't know.
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay, there's a note. And a lot of stuff. And so it's everything that's in here. We have chocolate, a little bag of Regal candy.
There is so much stuff in here.
All right, we're going to have to maybe pick 3 things.
This is going to have to be a three-part
Three-parter.
series.
Cookies, pirate, chocolate, some caramel, some O. Henry's. Oh, that looks like a good one.
Power poppers, popping candy, grape raisin.
Oh,
I feel like grape and raisin should not be in the same sentence
I agree.
together.
I feel like that's the first thing you pulled out. So I think that's what we need to try. Let's show everybody what it looks like. All right, a couple more things. I don't know what these are. It's fizz. All right, what else are we gonna try? So you want to do
Plop, plop, fizz, fizz. Oh, what a relief it is.
we'll do grape raisin. I don't know, that's apple.
Apple what?
I feel like is grape it's not raisin flavor. It's just grape is a raisin. Stop it. Hiccuping.
Okay, like that's gonna work.
Okay, what else were we picking?
An O. Henry?
Oh, I love O. Henry.
You've had an O. Henry before?
Yeah, we had it the last time.
I don't remember him.
Oh. And then what else?
Well, we can't try this, but the keg.
What is that, like a seasoning?
Peppercorn and whiskey.
Okay.
Gravy.
All
Sounds
right.
pretty delicious, actually.
All right. Let's go.
The fella loves a good gravy.
What's this?
Also, young gravy.
Oh, cookies. You want cookies? You want to try cookies?
That's a dumb question.
All right. Cookies. Pick one more.
One more thing?
Yeah.
I can't pick regular Reese's, huh?
Just pick something so you can
I've
stop.
been starving all day, and this box has been laying over there for a couple weeks now. We've had these things before, and they're so good.
Okay, you want to try them and
No, I know they're good.
and report?
No, we'll save those because we've had those. I'm trying to find something we had.
Okay.
Had.
I don't know. You're gonna have to edit out these hiccups.
Yeah. Leave them in there for authenticity.
Okay. Ooh,
We'll
turtles.
try We're gonna try the turtles.
Okay. All right. Stop going through it.
All right, I gotta put
we'll
stuff
come back to it. There's a lot of stuff in there.
There's so much stuff.
Okay. So we have. What do you want to go with first? There's so much stuff. You want to go cookies first? You want to go turtles first? You want to go power poppers?
Let's try cookie first.
Okay. You know, since you've been starving all day. Why were you starving?
I just have been.
Yeah? Okay. They smell good. All right. You want to dip it in the fondue? That's what they look like. A little chocolate chip. Almost like Chips Ahoy.
Peanut butter.
They're peanut butter?
They are peanut butter.
It says it right on there. Peanut butter. The Decadent. Peanut butter chocolate chunk cookie.
They're pretty good.
This is like the one I like in the circus area. I love peanut butter with chocolate chips. Thank you.
I'm a fan.
Those are good. I like the decadent. Yeah. We have to hide these from Chase.
They'll be gone in the morning.
All right. Let's rate them. I'm going to give them a solid like 4.5. They're good.
3.98.
Okay. Turtles or Power Poppers?
You know I love a good turtle. Turtle.
Really?
Oh, who doesn't like turtles? You
Now,
would be like a
now I'm making noise.
cruel human being if you don't like turtles.
They're so cute. They go so slow.
Just like me.
The slow part or the cute part?
Both. That's my spirit animal.
Okay. I mean,
I
so
am a lot like a ninja.
I feel like it says classic. So I don't think anything's going to be special about these. I don't think so. Kind of like the cookies where we're like, oh my gosh, it's peanut butter.
Well, it's because you didn't read the label.
Maybe. Okay. Here, see if that'll take your hiccups away. It looks like a classic turtle. Chocolate, caramel, and
Deliciousness.
how do you say it? Are you okay? Pecan or pecan? Pecan. We've had this discussion before, I think.
Pecan.
Good job. Oh, these are like fresh. Very good. All right. Go ahead and rate while I'm finishing mine out.
Three 8.
3.
Yeah. I think they're pretty good.
Could wash it down with a peanut butter cookie.
I could.
I think your hiccups are gone.
Why would you say that? They'll come back now. Right.
I have it rated.
Let's see this. Well, hurry up every chance you get. That way I can have another cookie.
They're really good. I'm going to give them a 4.
Okay.
Those are really fresh.
Turtle.
Okay. Are we ready for this?
Well, I don't know exactly what you're supposed to do. Do I just right out of the mouth?
Pour it in your mouth.
I mean, I've had Pop Rocks before. I'm assuming it's the same thing.
Yeah. Just dump them in. Okay, don't do that. Not all. What's wrong?
You're popping.
Don't chew them, let them pop.
And Canadians put a little extra pop in theirs.
Does it taste like raisins?
Oh my God. Everything's going crazy. I may have a little overdid it. They're going wild.
Take some water. Do they taste like raisins?
No. Don't taste like grapes either.
Oh,
I would say they're grape flavored, but
they're grape flavored. Oh, never. Are you okay? Drink something. Drink something. Yeah, don't go hard on them. They're really light. Oh, still pop. Oh, still popping. Are you okay?
yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
No, now you. Oh, we gotta rate. I'm going to give them like a 2. I'm just not, they're very light. They're not. It's like a light poppin'.
They're not what I remember Pop Rocks being.
They're better than Pop Rocks.
They're more poppy than Pop Rocks, I can tell you that. Maybe that's why they call them
Power Pops.
Power Poppers. They got the power. Must be supercharged.
Okay. Well, they didn't taste like raisins either. They're grape. So, I guess raisins are grapes and grapes are raisins. I feel like
Yeah, I don't know.
that was great. Great. I'm gonna give them a 2. What are you giving them?
2.34.
Okay.
I mean, they gotta be rated higher than Pop Rocks.
Why?
Because they have more power. These things got some power.
Are you gonna go do one more?
No. But I would like to put them in Chase's food this afternoon.
That's what you want to do.
I think it'd be great.
All right. Great. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We're glad to be back. You happy to be back?
Yeah.
We'll have some more out of the box later. Stay tuned. We'll see you next
time. Probably not later tonight, though.
No.
It's bedtime now.
Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.